Citrus limon by Alyssa Ahern. The citrus limon, more commonly known as the lemon, is actually a tree. The lemons we see at the supermarket are the fruits of this tree. These fruits are normally used as an addition to flavoring of a dish, not as the main part. However, lemons and lemon juice have been used traditionally in medicine to cure different ailments. Furthermore, scientists are currently studying the benefits of lemon consumption. They have found that they have positive effects on chronic disease, inflammation, and other diseases. Lemons also have a major impact on several industries other than the food industry, including the pharmaceutical, cosmetic, chemical, and dental. Lemons also have impacts on several economies worldwide. Lemons are part of the Rutaceae family and of the citrus genre. Lemons are about one of 162 different types of citrus fruits. Botanists believe that the maternal parent of the lemon is the sour orange, which is shown here on the top picture, and the male parent of the lemon is the citron, which is represented in the bottom picture. Although there are 10 different types of lemon that have some differentiation in their morphology, there are some commonalities between them. For instance, all types of this species are canopied evergreen trees, which produce clusters of purple-colored flowers and lemon fruit. The lemon fruit is normally yellow in color and consists of an outer rind and a layer of white tissue called albedo, pulp, and acidic juice. Here, on the left, you can see a lemon tree. From this distance, you can see the canopy and the fruit. The picture on the right is a close-up of the lemon tree, showing the lemon fruit and the flowers. As mentioned before, there are 10 variations of the lemon. They differ in fruit size and shape, prominence or lack thereof of nipples, the composition of fruit, including the amounts of seeds as well as the juice content, and also the density of the tree's canopy. Scientists believe that these variations could have been caused by human domestication because there is proof that they have been varied genetically for desired phenotypes, and the variations have adapted to different climates. For instance, some of the lemons do not have any seeds, which could be a desired phenotype for human consumption. Similarly, the Lisbon lemon have developed a larger canopy to protect itself from harsh weather because it has been domesticated in areas which are susceptible to frost. It is unknown exactly where lemons originate from, though some believe that they first grew in the sub-Himalayan regions and the foothills of India. Then spread throughout Asia and Europe very slowly between 500 to 1300 AD by invaders or travelers. Scientists have said that they could have been introduced to new areas by Muslim armies, Arab traders, Crusaders, or even travelers along the European-Asian trade routes. Eventually, lemons were brought across the Atlantic Ocean and were introduced to Haiti and other parts of the Caribbean by Christopher Columbus, Ponce de Leon, and other explorers in the 16th century. Currently, lemons are grown all over the world and harvested at different times of the year depending on location. Although there is no known origin of the lemon, there are several societies which use the lemon as an ingredient in their medicines. For example, the Churu district in the Thar Desert of India use lemons along with other fruits to prepare a drink called a shabat, which treats bacterial infections in the gut. Also, lemons were used by families in central Italy for medicinal remedies, as insecticides, and in a mixture with cloves for deodorants. In fact, some families would eat lemons just for daily nutritional benefits. Traditional Turkish medicine, lemon juice was used as a drink that would lower blood pressure and prevent cardiovascular disease. Lastly, the Dominicans used lemon juice in mixtures with different types of plants depending on the reported disease. Normally, however, lemon juice was a part of syrup or tea. Although I will get more into the biology behind this later, it is important to note that lemons consist of chemicals which are important to human health. For instance, they have flavonoids, specifically flavones and flavonones, which are aromatic chemicals which are good antioxidants. Furthermore, they have dietary fiber and vitamin C, which are essential in the human diet. Lemons are also a source of minerals which are needed in the body. There are also essential oils in lemon juice, which, as we will later find out, can also aid in human health. As mentioned before, flavonoids are extremely antioxidant. They reduce the risk of some chronic diseases and aid in the prevention of cardiovascular disease and other cancerous processes. They are also antiviral, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer, and anti-allergenic. For flavonoids in particular, eriocetin, heripidin, diosmin, and quercetin are useful against oxidative stress. Quercetin also shows anti-cancer activity, ability to lower blood pressure, and can relieve pain caused by inflammation. Lemons are also a source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. which are both essential in the human diet. Dietary fiber is proven to reduce the risk factors of multiple chronic diseases. In fact, dietary fiber is so important that some scientists recognize it as the sixth category of essential nutrients, which also include protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Vitamin C is also essential for human health, as it is a part of glucose metabolism. Increased intake of vitamin C can also lead to reduced risk of stroke and prevention of inflammatory diseases like arteriosclerosis and cardiovascular disease. Lemons are also highly concentrated in some minerals, including magnesium, which is essential for muscle contraction, calcium, which helps build bones and teeth, potassium, which is needed in the body as an electrolyte for the fluid system and for neuronal activity, and phosphorus, which is essential for DNA and RNA and is needed in energy conversions. The chart here shows minerals found in lemons, along with their recommended daily intake. Along with being a perfume, the essential oils of lemons have shown antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Although there are many benefits to eating lemons, I must also mention that lemon juice can deter from human health. For instance, a study which tested the effects of lemon juice on chronic hypertension not only found that the juice did not lower the subject's blood pressure, but actually could have some metabolic interaction with the patient's already prescribed drugs. That same study also concluded that the lemon juice could cause some non-compliance to the patient's already prescribed treatment. Lemons also have a major economic impact. For instance, they're used in multiple industries, including food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, dental, and chemical. Furthermore, they are also used as a major import and export of several countries. Their annual production is about 102 million tons worldwide. They're the third most important citrus fruit, and they're normally grown as fresh domestic consumption, but they are sometimes exported. This table shows a list of countries ranking in their lemon market trade during the year of 2007. It is scaled 1 to 1,000 tons. Lemons are a function of food. Their consumption is beneficial to human health in multiple ways, and their individual constituents are used in other markets besides the food industry. However, even though they have beneficial properties, they are not considered a fad food. By this, I mean even though they are cultivated internationally, they are not popular to eat regularly for nutritional benefit. We need more research and more advertisement so that the general population understands how beneficial lemon consumption can be. These are the works cited for this project. Thank you for listening.